Sleek, stylish and sun-drenched, this entire floor penthouse is spread over 2 levels to showcase stunning dimensions, delivering immeasurable lifestyle appeal, mere meters from beach tracks, the cosmopolitan cafe precinct, and a vast array of restaurants, boutiques, primary and secondary schools. Featuring extensive ocean views from 7 balconies, a versatile floor plan connects each level via a striking timber staircase. 3 double bedrooms, each with built-in-robe and stylish ensuite, open onto their own private balconies. Luxurious master bedroom features private balcony with ocean views. An ornate marble ensuite appointed with dual vanities, double shower and soaker tub. Gourmet kitchen with stone benchtops. Custom cabinetry and integrated state-of-the-art appliances opens onto an expansive family domain. Private 139 square metre rooftop with panoramic ocean views extends the living and entertainment spaces to create a spectacular outdoor domain that exudes style and glamour, while providing effortless flexibility and functionality.